What's up guys, it's CBDB here and I'm back with you guys with a new open bag. Yeah, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I do reviews, unboxings, and first impressions, so stay around. Today I got these knockoff Valentino bow flip-flops, so I'm really excited about how they come out. But you know, I was really thrown off because I was thinking they were gonna come in a box, but they're in a bag. So let's open this up real quick. But okay, so this is what it looks like. Interesting. Ow, it got my hair. Oh, and let me tell you guys, I just got my toenails done, so yeah, they'd be looking fresh to death. Okay, anyways, yeah, I got these from Amazon. This is what they look like. I got them in size 6. They didn't have any half sizes, so I'm really hoping that this is going to fit. Okay, so here we go. This is the brand right here, and I'll link the description below. It is an affiliate link, so I just want to let you guys know that ahead of time. Oh my god. Oh, it smells so bad. It smells like burnt onions. That's what it smells like. Oh my god, it smells so terrible. Ugh. Oh my god, it's the plastic that stinks. It smells so bad. Okay, let me see if they're cute though. Okay, so they are pretty cute. So this is what the bottom looks like. They don't have like any kind of slip protection. I'm going to have to buy some slip protection so I don't slip and fall. But anyways, my sister got these. She paid $300 for the real ones. I was not going to pay $300 for a pair of jellies. They wrapped the bow with this fancy paper here. Alright, so here's the other one. Why does the bows look different? Yeah. See the bows? They're retarded because the way they're packaged. Let me make sure these are the same size. Yeah, they're the same size. Okay, this thing came with it. I have no idea what this is. An anklet? I don't even know. And a card. All right, let's try on these bad boys. Okay, so that's what they look like. And let me try to put them on. Okay, so that bow is still retarded. As you can see, it's not, this bow's leaning forward. And this one is not. This one's perfect. This one is not perfect. So I have plenty of room. I'm gonna wear them around for a little bit to see if I actually think they're comfortable. The back is pretty, the back of it right here is pretty heavy. So it flops around a lot, but they're really loose. Oh my gosh. And my feet are so sticky. You guys notice I'm in a different outfit. It's been 4 days since I opened these up and really wore them around. So it's given me a lot of time to give you guys a really good review on these knockoff Valentinos. The smell did go away. I did notice that the bow is still a little crooked. One of the bows still a little crooked. That doesn't irritate me as much anymore, but I do want to show you guys, like, it does have really good quality as far as the studs. You can see they're actual, they actually metal, and they go through the whole entire strap here instead of just glued on there. So you know you'll have good craftsmanship with that. And if you notice the bow right here, it does have a stud as well, and you can actually move the bow around. So you can actually twist it all around, just like that. So I twist it all around and I can twist it all the way back. That is a nice feature about this. I did wear these to the pool yesterday and it is extremely slippery. I mean, it's jelly shoes, right? It's gonna be extremely slippery, but just be careful around the pool or getting your feet wet, especially if you're walking through rain or anything like that. I wore these to work. I wore them out to dinner. I wore them to the pool. I wore them through the grass. I wore them through the dirt. So this part right here, I was really worried about the bottom of the shoe because it didn't have any kind of grip, but it's not that bad. It's really not that bad. This shoe has really surprised me on how good the quality actually is, And I just want to mention another thing, that these straps right here are still really loose on my feet. Now if you have like wider feet, it probably fits your feet a little bit better, but because my feet are a little bit more slim and skinny, I do tend to have a little bit, you know, more extra space, which my feet flops around, and it did get on my nerves at first, but now I'm kind of used to it. Overall, I really like these knockoffs. They're only $20 on Amazon, so if you want to save yourself like $300, go ahead and get your pair. They do have different colors, which I'm thinking about getting different colors. And I'm also really thinking about like getting the real pair of Valentinos, just so I can do a really good comparison. If you guys want me to get a real pair of Valentinos and compare them with these knockoff ones, let me know in the comments below. But that is all for now. I hope you guys enjoy this review. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I'm really thinking about getting the real Valentinos just to see what the comparison is. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.